In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Word for beginners. If you're new to Microsoft Word, this tutorial will help you understand the basic tools you need to create and edit documents. Word can be used for letters, reports, school assignments, forms, and many other types of documents. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Once the document is open, you'll see a blank page where you can begin typing your content. Start by clicking anywhere on the page. This places the cursor where your text will appear. You can now type words, sentences, or paragraphs directly into the document. At the top of the window, you'll see the Word ribbon. The ribbon contains different tabs with tools for editing and formatting your document. The Home tab contains many of the basic formatting tools you will use. Here, you can change the font size, and text appearance. You can also make text bold, italic, or underlined. To change the appearance of specific text, select the text first, then choose the formatting option you want. You can also change the alignment of your text by choosing left, center, right, or justified alignment. Next, you can use the Insert tab to add different types of content to your document. You can insert pictures, tables, shapes, symbols, and other elements. For example, if you need to organize information, you can use the Table option to create rows and columns inside your document. The Layout tab contains options for adjusting the page itself. You can change the margins, page orientation, and paper size. For example, you can switch between portrait and landscape orientation depending on the type of document you're creating. You can also use the Design tab to change the overall appearance of your document. This includes document formatting options and page background features. When you're finished working on your document, it's important to save your work. Go to the File tab and choose Save As. Select where you want to save the document, enter a file name, and save it as a Word document. If you need to print your document, go to the File tab and select Print. From there, you can review the print preview and choose the available printing options. As you become more familiar with Microsoft Word, you can explore the different tabs and tools to learn more advanced features. The basic tools covered here are enough to help you start creating, formatting, saving, and printing documents. And that's how you can get started with Microsoft Word as a beginner. With these basic features, you can create professional-looking documents and become more comfortable using Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,